Hi friends, welcome back to Stockhood channel, a channel where we discuss investing strategies with facts. So friends, in today's videos we are going to discuss about the housing finance sector in India, overview of this sector and also some of the main players in this sector in India and also some of the good stocks that you can invest in the near future. Also, I'll be talking about one new entrant in this sector, which has a huge growth potential in the coming years. All right, with this, we'll get started. So, friends, also I would request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so that it encourages me to come up with more such videos in the future. So, to understand about the housing finance sector in India, we are going to discuss about three major points in this video. First will be to understand what the housing finance sector is and how is the industry doing in the recent terms, and also which are the big players in this industry. Right, to see if what a housing finance sector is, it is basically an NBFC, non-banking finance companies that offer loans for the purchase and extension of the plots or built up properties. Right, basically when you say a non-banking finance company, it is like a financial institute which does not have the full banking license and also not supervised by any national banking regulatory, but specific to NBFC there are some regulations which they follow. All right, and to see how the industry is doing, the in recent terms this industry has been subdued in India from the last 4 to 5 years, and there are various reasons for the industry to be sluggish. All right, to see some of the reasons, after the 2018 ILFS crisis, there was a lot of liquidity crisis in this industry, so there were not a good growth in this company from the last 4 to 5 years. Also, because of the COVID pandemic, a lot of livelihoods have been lost, and because of this, there is not much demand for housing finance loans in this industry in the recent times. And what do we expect from this industry in the near future is, we can expect almost a 10% growth year on year starting from FY20, and this is because of the pent up demand, and also as you know there is a lot of increase in income in the middle income groups. Right, and to see who are the big players in this industry, there are several players. I'm just taking out some of the major players in this industry: HDFC, Punjab National Housing Finance Limited, LIC, HFL, and India Bulls are some of the major. There are also like Canara Finance Housing Companies, all those things. Right, to move forward in this slide, to give a perspective about the industry, we are looking about some of the key parameters to evaluate these companies. So if you see the trailing 12-month revenue and the trailing 12-month net profit of these company, clearly you can see HDFC is a clear winner in terms of the revenue and net profit, which is almost around 144.5 thousand crores. All right, the other players are not were closer to that, and also the market cap is almost 445,000 crores. Right, and if you see the net revenue growth year on year, also I'm just comparing between FY20 and FY21, HDFC is a clear winner. All right, with that it is a clear indicator that HDFC is the leader in this industry. To further see how the price is looking for HDFC, it has corrected in the recent times almost by 20%, and with this fundamentally strong company correcting around 20%, I think that will give a good opportunity for investors to start investing in this company. Moving further, I'll be talking about another company which is relatively a new entrant in this segment, which is founded in 2010, and primarily it is concentrating in semi-urban and rural areas of the states of Tamil Nadu, Andhra, and Karnataka and Telangana. right? So the core base of this company is self-employed categories in the middle income group in the rural sector, and the average loan amount dispersed is around 7 to 8 lakhs, right? So I'm not going to make you wait till the end of this video to disclose the name of this company. The company is APTUS Finance Company. All right. So this company was recently listed in the IPO in August 2021. All right. To further see about what are the core parameters of this company or the core values of this company, it is clearly showing a clear trend of expanding the market. So if you see the number of branches, it has expanded from the last 5 years. It has grown massively from 80 branches to 190 branches in this core market. All right. And further, it also has plans to expand beyond its core market is in states like Maharashtra, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. Some of the other important points about this company is this is a very important point here. If you see the shareholding pattern of this company, you can clearly see that FIs are continuously increasing their share in this company starting from the IPO time. That is a good positive sign for this company. And also some of these are the graphs which I have taken from their annual report of FY21, where they are clearly showing some of the strong points of this company, one being the capital adequacy ratio, which is at 73.63. So to just give an understanding about what capital adequacy ratio is, it is the measure of the capital that the bank has and is usually represented in percentage terms to the credit exposure. Usually the regulatory requirement for this kind of company is around 14% of the capital adequacy ratio. So the Aptus is having a good capital adequacy ratio of 73%. Right. And also if you see the credit rating, it is quite stable. So this is all good positive traits of this company. Right. And also since it is having the growth plans in other non-core areas, you can expect good revenue and profit growth in the coming days. And also some of the important points is the NPAs is very limited to 0.68%. So this is also compared to other companies in the sectors like Punjab National Finance Company, where the NPAs, gross NPAs is around 3 to 4%. 0.68 is very limited for this company. Further, if you see some of the strong points of this company, the company has a strong and experienced management. So the chairman, Mr. M. Anandan, is a chartered accountant and has around 40 years of experience in the finance sector and had previously worked with Cholamandalam and Murugappa Group. Similarly, the CFO, Mr. Balaji, is also a chartered accountant and also worked in Cholamandalam General Insurance Company and various other manufacturing companies. So look at the financials of this company. The AUM of this company has also consistently grown from the last 5 years. This report from their annual report clearly shows that, and also it is doing the business quite profitably, where the profit after tax is also increasing substantially every year. Right. With this, if we come to a comparison with the strong players in the industry, you can see here Aptus has around 630 crores of trailing 12-month revenue, and also the profits are quite good. Right. And also if you see one of the key parameters here, the valuation of this company is around 15.4, which is relatively good for the industry given their profits and revenue growth is consistently growing in this segment, right? So again, if some other parameters to compare between the industry, the quarterly sales growth is the highest among the peers, which is around 29%. Another good company which is also a new entrant in this sector is Aavas Financer. So if you want to hedge your money between Aptus, I think Aavas Financer is one of the good bet for you to hedge your money. right? Friends, this was a short video to understand about the housing finance sector in India and also the top companies in this sector. And Aptus is a good bet for you for a long term perspective. So if you like this video, please hit the like button so that it encourages me to come with more such videos, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.